Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Today we are going to talk about the main things to do before online classes, after online classes, and the schedule when our online classes are going on. So now without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing is tasks. So what and all tasks we have to do online classes. So there are 5 tasks here and we have to do all these 5 tasks. And almost very less people do this task. First one is exercise. Exercise in morning so that you will have a takeover to the day. Second thing is healthy meal. Have a perfect breakfast. Third one is getting ready. So how you will get ready for your online classes? You're gonna take some essential things which I'm gonna tell you in the next part. So we have to just do is you have to take your pens, pencils and etc and your phone or your laptop what you're using, and then make sure you clean your table or wherever you sit for the online classes. Then fourth is stationery. So stationery means like you will have your pen, pencils, sketch pen, sharpener. If you need those things you can take it. Skim through the material. Skim through the material means if you want any reference book according to this particular subject, you have to keep it outside. So these are the 5 tasks we have to do before online classes. So now let's talk about 5 things that we have to arrange before sitting for online classes. The main thing is water bottle. So as we keep on watching the screen, we will get ready. So now we have to drink water to make ourselves strong and boost our energy. Second thing is charger. Charger, if your phone battery or your laptop battery get low, so please plug in your charger when it is about 20% or 25% itself. Third thing is required material. Required material means, as I said, about guides or reference books or all-in-one books or textbooks and notebooks you have to keep. Next one is Blu-ray glasses, which is literally very important for your eyes. If you don't use Blu-ray glasses, make sure that your laptop or your phone must be at the eye level, and you make sure you have to follow a simple rule which I'm going to tell you in the next part. So practice book or any sheet to note important things is also very important, because if teacher just tells you something important, like in maths we'll have formulas, questions, and how to solve the tricky questions, the formulas and all, you have to note it down so that when your homework time comes you can open that and you can take the help from these practice sheets. So next we'll learn about 5 things to keep in mind during online classes. So here I've written some things for you so that we can follow these in online classes. So the first thing is concentration. So first thing, main thing you have to do, you have to keep in mind that how you concentrate. So main thing how you concentrate is you have to make sure that your phone or laptop should be at eye level, and make sure you engage yourself in class. So how will you engage yourself in class? Matlab, you have to ask doubts to the teacher if you have any doubt, or interact with all of them so that your concentration level will get high. Next is proper body functioning. So proper body functioning means that your body should work properly so that your mind also works properly for concentration. So first is keep yourself well hydrated. So as I said, we will need water bottle, so keep drinking water as much as possible. Take a water bottle in which filled with water, and if you have any energy booster or any ORS at home, you can use that too. So now this thing, 20-20-20 rule. So you might have heard about this but you don't know about this. So 20-20-20 rule means after 20 minutes of seeing the screen continuously, look 20 feet far away and for 20 seconds, and then close your eyes for 20 seconds and again rub your hands on eyes slowly. And the last thing is record notes. So you have to record notes just only so that you can actually help it for your future or for your homeworks. So here I've given a small plan in which you have to follow for the next schedule which you're going to talk about. So here it is 8 hours sleep. Then you might have 4 hour or 5 hour online classes. So here you can ready your 9 hour study into 8 hour study. Then 3 hour you'll be playtime. If you have 5 hour classes, then make sure here you will study 8 hours. If you have 4, then you can study 9 hours. So you can completely spend 24 hours in a day properly. Now, talking about your daily schedule, you have to do is you have to get up at 7 o'clock. I know most of us don't like to get up early. So even I have reduced the time from 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. From 7 to 8 you'll get up, wake up, freshen and exercise. So now from 8 o'clock to 8:30 you have to have breakfast and get ready with your things which you require for your online classes. So now from 8:30 to 9 you have to have a glance look at your books. Arrange books. In this time you can arrange books. You can just take out the books and check whether your homework is completely done and etc etc. So almost all online classes start from 9 and ends at 1. So I think this is the right time. If your classes start late or end late, you can change the preferred timings. So after online classes, you have to take a nap. From 1 to 1:30 you can take a nap. If you eat your lunch at this time, you can either do that because you can hear exchange. From 1:30 to 2 you can have lunch and arrange your table if it has become dirty. Like by keeping your books, by keeping your stationaries. So after you have done this, you have to do is you have to complete your homework. So you can do this from 2 to 4. So after completing your homework, you can go for play from 4 to 6. 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So then 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. you can do is you should solve sample papers. Make a habit of solving at evening because when you have learned here and completed your homework, you will remember. So next you have to study yourself, means self study. From 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock you can do this. And after self study you can go for your TV time. From 8 to 8:30 you can watch TV, and from 8:30 to 9 you can spend time with family or you can continue watching your TV. 9 to 10 have a light dinner. From 10 to 11 self study part 2. So here we have studied self study part 1, means one subject, here two subjects. So if you study two subjects per day as self study, you will be able to understand. Then from 11 to 11:30 you can complete your incomplete works, or if you want more time for self study you can do that. So that is also an incomplete work. So if any incomplete work is pending from here to here, you can complete it by 11 to 11:30. Then you have to do is just go for sleep. So guys, how did you like this videos? I'm gonna show you the screenshot of all of these scheduled tasks and things to arrange and keep in mind during online classes. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell on, and please give this video a thumbs up. And so bye bye.